IT job market is overall slow, but if there is one role which has gained 100% popularity and surge in job demand, that is Gen AI or AI engineer. If you look at this post from LinkedIn from last year, machine learning engineer was at number 4. But this year, as we speak, this role has jumped up to number 1 and it has transformed into a generic AI role. Now, the interesting thing is that most of the companies are still unsure what exactly that role entails. It is mainly around the research and figuring out how the companies can use Gen AI or generative AI or the LLMs within their own company. What I have seen so far is that companies are hiring AI engineers to build simple chatbots and they are not fully leveraging the potential of AI. Now, this is going to change for sure. The thing is that there is a scarcity of the machine learning and AI engineers because not only there are not enough new graduates, but even the existing skill set is not matching up to the new skills which are needed in the Gen AI. Now, the thing is that in US already there is high demand for AI engineers. Not only those engineers are dictating their own terms like working remotely and other perks, but their salaries are also top notch. For instance, in US, a typical average graduate or even an entry level A engineer is earning around 150K, and the salaries or in other countries are also on the par as per their own local markets. Hiring managers are really struggling to find AI engineers amid an ongoing global talent shortage. Some employers are going to the extra mile to distinguish themselves from competitors in the eyes of potential employees. Now, the thing is that shortage of talent is causing companies in a variety of industries to fall short of their automation goal, and AI is topping the list. The hiring boom in machine learning and AI is not really new, but it has really got a push and a tailwind, and it shows no sign of slowing and maybe intensifying as these things are going on and on. For instance, companies here in Australia are already advertising the jobs with annual pay scales well into six figures, and I have seen even 200,000 case salaries with lot of other perks. And if you look at LinkedIn, seek.com.au in Australia, the search in AI job posting is really phenomenal, while the other job listings are winning. For instance, all the big four banks here in Australia, all the big four consultancy firms, and a lot of other companies are focusing heavily on these AI jobs, and not only the technical jobs but also the leadership roles in the AI. For example, Amazon sought a senior manager of AI with a top salary of 340,000 US dollars. Skilled AI professionals remains in demand even as large tech companies are hiring fewer workers overall. Because you might have heard that Microsoft, Amazon, they have recently done some layoffs, but at the same time they are hiring the skilled AI professionals. The shortage prompts employers to offer high salaries in hope of attracting candidates with the skills and experience they need. But if you're looking to get into AI from any other field, then be aware salary shouldn't be the only deciding factor. You should also keep in perspective that would you be working on interesting projects or would you only be making prompts and maybe just researching as what company can do or building the old chatbots. Also make sure that you know if you're making a meaningful impact or if you're working with the great people because these things are going to affect your happiness and professional satisfaction than the pay scale. Make sure that you're following your interest and you have a genuine passion for AI, you are doing your great work, and you are contributing to the society. And keep learning. Thank you.